Welcome to the 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. This is a video series where I will be sharing all 7 of my secrets. And today I will be offering you my first secret, which is be silent. Now, how can an instruction to be silent have anything to do with public speaking and being comfortable? Well, I see that the biggest fear that my clients tell me is going blank. All of a sudden, they lose their words, they lose their train of thought, and they are blank. And so that brings to mind, well, how come we can't be comfortable in being absolutely still at our foundation, almost like the ground of being, you might say. You know, we've got words and they're coming from our brains, and the brains are all full of what you should say, and you're looking out at your listeners and what they might be thinking. So you get distracted. So the secret is to learn how to bring your body down, down, down to grounded stillness, which is such a great way to have a sense that you are here, right now, with yourself, connected with your listeners, so that the words flow up rather than the words coming out of your head and trying to remember your script. The whole idea with be silent, and you might say be still is really what I'm saying, is learn how to still your body and to still your mind so that there's much more freedom to be able to express yourself. So, secret number 1 is be silent. The next video in my video series will be presented, and I might as well give you a little preview right now. It's be present, and you'll learn why being present sits on top of being still and creates a more magnetic, a more dynamic, a more engaging you. Thank you.